Hello and welcome to BW Business World. Today we are here at Indian Hospitality Summit and Awards 2025. Thank you so much, Mr. Dharmik, Vaishnav, for joining us. Now we will touch upon many points. To start with, I would want you to get deeper into sustainability. In some of the initial panels, we saw people speaking about how they are balancing the operational efficiency with the global standards, with Indian flair. Now this is a tall task. When we look at it from a sustainability lens, and then how do you ensure the 100% operational excellence?
This is a very relevant question. So thanks for this question, Resham. Basically, sustainability, when it comes to our action, we divide it in multiple parts. So the first part is sustainability targets for our organization. So like by 2050, we are supposed to be, and we will be net zero carbon company. That's our aim and rather mandate. So we are supposed to do it. But 2050 is too far. So we have, a goal for 2032, smaller step. And something in our lifetime which we can prove. So there is a first step, that's 2030. And by 2030, we are supposed to reduce our carbon footprint by 33% as compared to what it was there in 2017. So we are on our target. Luckily, we are on our journey on the right path. So that's about organization. We also try to do a lot in terms of material innovation when it comes to the production, when it comes to the choice of material, various routes like transportation, energy, etc. So just to give you an example, currently in India also we are able to manufacture a plasterboard in our Vizag plant which is net zero. So practically there is no carbon emission during that manufacturing. So using this kind of things, we are trying to work in this hospitality or different industries where we are trying to create the awareness about it. Now what is happening, as you know, that in India and globally also, sustainability is a big theme. Everyone is talking something about it, and there is a lot of greenwashing too, unfortunately, where false claims are there. So just to prove whatever we are claiming, we have started giving calculation of carbon emissions for the actual project sites. So like if you have your project over here, we will give the actual carbon emission happening during the entire life cycle, be it embodied, that is manufacturing and transportation, or be it operational, like during operation. So we give entire calculation of CO2 emission saving to make the proof of the concept. So we are doing multiple things in sustainability, and we believe that that's the only future.
How lovely. Now we have an ambitious goal to achieve when it comes to India in terms of sustainability. How well are we on track?
So as a country, I believe we are on track, though our aim is to be carbon neutral by 2070. That's what we are planning for. But like this year only, I was just going through some reports, and this year we have consumed 1% lesser energy as compared to last year. Of course, it is attributed to early rain and monsoon and all. But this year, only we are able to prove some kind of carbon emission reduction, because one of the biggest carbon emitter is energy sector, because most of our plants are coal-based plants. So we are on track. We are taking multiple kind of actions in that direction. We are also, as a government of India is promoting some policies for carbon trading and all. So it's going to be like a conducive environment for the people who actually want to be there in this.
Interesting. This shows that we are right on track towards that vision and goal. Now, specifically when we talk about your company, what initiatives can we expect? What are some of the newer projects that you're working on?
Okay. So when I say projects, I'll talk about the kind of solution we are preparing, or our future readiness for the requirement of the new world. So we are mainly into lightweight and sustainable construction. So practically we replace the conventional walls, be it brick, block, sometimes it's plywood, multiple kind of things. So we actually replace it with our Gyproc drywalls. So we have got various kind of solutions for drywalls, because wall can be of any type. It can be a simple drawing room wall, it can be a bathroom wall, can be an exterior wall. So all kind of walls have to be substituted by drywall. So we are developing various solutions. So we are able to achieve practically one solution for all kind of requirement when it comes to interior one. In exterior, we are developing something. So we believe that we are future ready. We are doing a lot of innovation in terms of actual indoor air quality improvement. So how our material can absorb the volatile organic, we call it VOC, from the environment and make it more say dweller friendly in terms of say breathing or day-to-day activity. So that was something we do. We do a lot in terms of thermals, that is energy saving. So we are coming up with new products which provide you better thermal efficiency, so it can save in terms of your electricity consumption. We are also launching multiple things which are more lighter and more sustainable. So we are doing multiple things in this direction.
This is interesting. Now 10 years down the line, how different would India look to you?
Right. So that's our ambition too, because the understanding of say Indian construction industry is that India as on date, whatever we have constructed in last 500 years, it's 40% of its actual requirement. So we have to do multiple things, and we have to grow multiple folds. That's our aim, and it's going to be a different kind of world, especially when it comes to construction industry, because with conventional construction we can't have the scale and speed we are expecting. So it's going to be a new world. There will be a lot of automation. We are also seeing a lot of intervention and conjecture of AI at this juncture. We are also seeing a lot of robotics and automation in our industry. It's already, some of these things are already there in other countries, but now it's visible in India too. So we are trying to do, with the technological advancement, we are trying to weave it in our product solution and offering. So we can build quicker and we can meet the ambition of Viksit Bharat, whatever our government is claiming. So we are working in that direction.
That's correct. That's correct. I must congratulate you, and we wish you all the very best for all your plans.
Thank you.
We are all together in this journey towards Viksit Bharat. Thank you
so
much for joining us. Thank you.